to speak. I look at you and know there's something underneath. I call you up, but you can't be found. You can't be found. What if they got a hold over you now? So just wait. The moment I saw you, could this be a new thing? I wondered if we could be. Although we were friends again and again, I tried to convince myself I cannot resist the fact that I love you so.
Hey guys, come with me to another charity initiative program. This time around we decided to go to a motherless baby's home somewhere around LL1 Port Harcourt, and we packed up some goodies. At the same time, we bought some stuff from the farmers market, tissue paper, food stuff, and new clothes, old clothes, used stuff. Then we headed out. It was raining this day, guys. I couldn't capture a lot, but then we got to this orphanage home called Jesus Orphanage, I think. And then yeah, we met the kids. They were amazing. They prayed for us and we took our leave. I just want to say a big thank you to our sponsor, and if you're led by Christ to help, please reach out to me. Bye.
Promise that's given, the love that is driven.
Hi guys, what's going on? I haven't spoken to you guys in a while. Actually, that's because my voice has been terrible. I haven't really been speaking, or I haven't even been vlogging. But yeah, happy weekend guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm getting ready now. I'm going for my hair appointment. I'm actually pretty late. I'm like 2 hours late, you guys. That's because Nigeria is gonna shame you. Long story, I'm not even about to go into that, guys. We're growing rapidly, thankfully. Wanted to ask you guys the type of content you want to see, although I can see that some of you are actually loving the recent content. But yeah, I want to create content for you. A lot of you said fashion content. To be honest, have I bought a few new clothes? Yes, I have, but I don't think it is worth a haul yet. So yeah, that's why I can't bring up any fashion content now. Anything you want me to talk about, trust me, I'm down. And I'm going to be having a special guest on my channel very soon. I don't know if it will be before this vlog goes up or after this vlog goes up. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. It's so funny how, like, you know, before sewings were trying to like go away and now they're back. You know, wigs became a thing. Now people don't like the way wigs look. I myself personally, like, ever since I relaxed my hair, I've not felt like I want to wear a wig. Like, for what? Speak to you guys soon.
Say, Jojo, you surprised me. Yeah,
Gracie and I decided to go try Amala at the Amala spot in GRA, and you guys, it was amazing. Absolutely love it. And yes, this is ever smiling Gracie. Always laughing. Anyways, yeah, she's fun to be with. Because you're so inconsistent. How many years? For like 2 years, you've not been there.
We always plan them. Every heartbreak is a lesson. Let it go, don't be afraid.
This is me on my way to go check out what happened to my fan and how it went bad in less than 1 month of purchasing this fan. Anyways, this is a rechargeable fan. Watch one of my recent vlogs, you will remember when I went to buy this fan, and I just want to tell you that this fan has died on me. Anyways, let's cook some oha soup. So I've seasoned my meat, my stockfish, everything all boiled to perfection, and I'm going to add oil. Added some spices. I didn't think I showed you guys that. Added the achi, and then, you know, just stir everything boiled together. I wanted isam in this, so I added some periwinkle, added a bit of egusi for texture, and then I added uha leaf. And you guys, this soup bomb. So if you're thinking of preparing uha soup, please do it. This soup was amazing. It banged so well. Content creator in the mud. Can you guys believe that IJ is in my house to film a video? I should not come with video idea.
I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, bro, we are here. Anyways, I don't know, this blouse is not delivering as it's supposed to, but this one, it's try, but don't worry, I'm trying. Small, this makeup thing, we're going to perfect it. Guys, so I'll show you something. IJ got me this cute bracelet, and I can't wait to rock it. Like, I don't have anything like this. More reason why I like it so much. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Well, we're going out now to take pictures and all that good stuff. I know I've not been vlogging, I know I've just been anyhow, but I beg, life is lifing. We just created content. Hopefully we'll go up on the channel soon. I know I haven't posted in like a week. I feel so terrible, but you guys, whenever you see video, you see I'm a beg. Bye. Kai, bad is day this word, man. Anyways, IJ and I decided to go create content on this day because our Instagram have been dry, so we wanted to take pictures at the same time, just bond, you know, have conversations. So we went to this restaurant, Brazil. by South 66, I believe. Oh my god, appreciate this beauty. What a beauty. My friend is so beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna find it at your tummy. Like clothes is gonna hide my tummy a little bit. Kai at to file dogu wife. Anyways, Sha, I said to order this stir fry sauce with rice, and then she ordered some pancit, which was not giving pancit. If you've eaten actual pancit, you will know that that was not pancit. Anyway, she didn't like her meal like that, but I think it was great. I also think my rice was okay. It wasn't the best, but it was okay. But then they served us this milkshake that was not milkshaking, and I was so mad because that thing is obviously supreme ice cream, honestly, and you're charging me that amount of money for serving me ice cream. I was so angry, but what to do? Same will just leave and they go house. So if you're thinking of going to this restaurant, amazing one, is actually great. The ambience is great, music is great, but it's a bit too tight. But if you don't mind, you can visit them. All right, bye guys.
This one you not come with ATM. Are you not eating?
I will eat now.
But you not come with ATM.
So if I didn't come with my ATM, I can't eat.
No, they know there's a credit for you.
Hi guys. Yeah, I know it looks like I've come to complain again, but to be honest, Nigeria is tiring. Nigeria frustrates me. Nigeria makes me feel like I want to go mad. Anyways, it's Easter. Happy Easter, guys. How are you guys celebrating? Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I just wanted to speak with you guys because I've been going through quite a lot. I don't know, I think I've told you guys before that I recently got an electric fan, and something happened, something very, very ridiculous happened, where it blew up, like it stopped working. There was low voltage, something called low current here in Nigeria. The fan was working perfectly fine until one day the current came very high and it blew up the fan. So I took it for repair. They repaired it. I mean, because it still had warranty, and they repaired it and all, and I brought it back home. But ever since I brought this fan home, it doesn't work like before anymore. A lot has changed. It doesn't charge. It does, like, so many things. Like, it just pisses me off because I feel like Nigeria damages people's things, but they don't know how much damage they cause with the way they give light or they don't give light. If you tell a person that you cook in bulk and you don't live in service apartment, you're gonna cry. Like, for like 3 days now, we've not had light, and it's bad because people have stuff in the fridge, and all of these things go bad because of no light. Without these people knowing, I'm not happy. I'm really, really not happy because I don't like to get dressed in heat. I don't like so many things just irritates me. Anyways, tired of standing. Let's sit a bit. I'm really trying to push myself for content this week. I will try my best, you guys. I just feel I didn't have content block. I don't have content block, but then I think I had technical issues. For some reason, my videos were not uploading, and I just got tired. I was like, okay, whenever YouTube is ready to upload my videos, they should let me know. And it's not even about network, because network was great. So I'm like, I'll just leave everything, and that's it. Anywho, I want to give you guys a quick review about this fashion fair, because a lot of you really liked this product or really want to get this product, this fashion fair moisturizing gel. So guys, when I started using this, it was great on my skin. Like, everything cleared out. Like, maybe especially this side was all clear, but here still had quite a few, still does, and I was so happy about it. But I noticed that it stopped working for me. I kind of started getting darker. I decided to grab this vitamin C by Desire Beauty Skincare, and I actually used their hair essential oil for my edges. So I got their vitamin C glow and moisture that has hyaluronic acid and also niacinamide, and that's because these two products are good when you're trying to treat hyperpigmentation. And it's funny how I've been trying to treat hyperpigmentation and I don't have any product that has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to the best of my knowledge. Let me even check that. This is what it looks like. This is what I'll be using on my face. I'm going to try it out for a month and then I'll come back to give you guys a review. Yeah, anyways, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So yeah, I'm going to see you in my next vlog. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Stay safe and bye guys.